Festival Eritrea, held at the Expo Grounds in Asmara, the capital city, from 13th to 19th August 2023, marked a momentous occasion as it was the first gathering after the COVID-19 pandemic lockdown. With its roots tracing back to the days of the country's independence struggle, Festival Eritrea has evolved into a significant platform where the unity, values, and rich cultural heritage of Eritrea are proudly showcased. Festival Eritrea 2023 is being held here in Expo Grounds in the capital city, Asmara, since 13 to 19 August. This festival has marked a momentous occasion since its first gathering after COVID-19 pandemic lockdown. This festival has always extended its roots back to the country's independence struggle, where now it has evolved into a higher stage, where its stages are unity, our value, and significant cultural heritages proudly being staged. Here on Eritrea at a Glance on this episode, Festival Eritrea 2023. When it comes to cultural performance and ethnic diversity, this year, the Expo Grounds were transformed into a significant pavilion, providing a stage for the 9 ethnic groups of Eritrea to present their unique cultures. Throughout the festival, traditional dances deeply rooted in Eritrean history took center stage, captivating the attention of all attendees.
Hi, my name's Anhana. I'm from London, but I'm Eritrean, and I'm here at Festival Eritrea today. It's so much fun. Like, it's so live with the music and all the food. Abigail. And my name's Abigail. I'm also from London. And I came to this place to find out about my culture and my heritage. And I absolutely love this place. And I thank my mum and dad for bringing me here. Yeah. This is my best friend. We came here together and we're so happy to be here. Our parents brought us here. We've learned a lot more about our culture as well.
These aspiring performances transported spectators through time, showcasing the rich tapestry of Eritrean cultural traditions. The dance served as a testament to the diversity and unity that defined the nation. Festival Eritrea attracted a diverse range of visitors when it comes to diversity and visitors, both young and old, hailing from different walks of life, both within the country and from abroad. The festival served as a meeting point where people from various backgrounds come together to celebrate and appreciate Eritrean culture. The inclusive nature of the event fostered a sense of companionship and showcased the spirit of, quote-unquote, unity in diversity that explicitly defines Eritrea. One of the highlights of Festival Eritrea 2023 was the showcase of innovations and inventions by various age groups in Eritrea. The festival provided a platform for talented individuals to exhibit their creative ideas and technological advancements. These groundbreaking innovations reflected the spirit of progress and development within the country, inspiring attendees with the potential for growth and advancement in various fields.
There aren't camels and horses this year, and it's really good that all the other new restaurants are participating, and it's been really beautiful seeing all the cultures here to share how their dances, their clothes, everything, and it's been really good.
The Holidays Coordinating Committee paid special attention to the younger attendees by creating a dedicated children's corner. This vibrant and interactive space offered excitement and entertainment for children of all ages. Engaging activities, games, and educational exhibits provided a holistic experience that sparked curiosity and imagination among the young visitors. The Children's Corner fostered a love for Eritrean culture and traditions from an early age, ensuring the preservation of heritage for future generations. Festival Eritrea featured lively bazaars offering a diverse array of traditional handicrafts, artwork, clothing, and culinary delights. The bazaar provided a unique opportunity for visitors to immerse themselves in the vibrant Eritrean market atmosphere while supporting local artisans and businesses. Additionally, book sales played a crucial role in inspiring readers by featuring a wide range of literary works that showcased Eritrean history, culture, and achievements. Festival Eritrea 2023 was a resounding success, marking a momentous return after the COVID-19 lockdown. Welcome to Eritrea, first of all. You can introduce yourselves first, and my first question will be, how did you find the festival, since it's our first gathering after the coronavirus pandemic lockdown, especially for all of us, since we all experienced that together in this world. So,
my name is Daniel Gabriel. We just came from London. These are my three kids, Yerushalayim, Abigail, and Yocheved. And this is our first ever visit to Eritrea with my kids. So they never been to Eritrea before. So I was very determined to come this year, and thankfully we are here. And it's really thrilling. It's something that I always enjoyed when I was here before I traveled abroad. So yeah, it's very enjoyable, and especially to see all the people from all different backgrounds and the region of the countries. So we are very grateful here, and thank you for having us.
We're very grateful for having you. How did you feel bringing your kids for the first time here?
Actually, I'm very excited. I've been looking for it for a long time, but sometimes it's very hard. It's very hard to have enough financial. There was nothing apart from financial terms.
Exactly.
But this year we will just say, you know what, we have to make it. Yeah. And also, they have to be engaged. They have to know their country. Exactly. Otherwise, there will be a lost generation.
Exactly.
And my fear was that for them growing up without knowing their country, without people, their culture.
Yes.
And we are very proud people.
Sure.
And
we are.
As a father and as an Eritrean, I have to bring them home. I had to.
Sure.
So
how do you feel about your kids? Are they intact with their culture? How much are they intact, do you think?
I would say it's a good start. It's a good start. Yeah, it's a good start.
Wonderful. How does it feel to come back after COVID-19 pandemic? Did you feel like you were ever going to come back home?
Well, you cannot say never. Always something new will come and will end up. At some point, it's gonna stop. But I never planned for this year to come back. I had an idea to come, but not now.
Not this year.
But time has come, and I decided finally. I just had to come home.
Wonderful that you're here. I got to meet you.
Yes.
I got to meet you.
Actually, we always follow Eritrean. Well, not always, but at the time we follow Zahra Budur, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Yes. So I quite noticed you when you asked before. So yes, thank you for having us. We are very happy to be here. So
thank you so much, Mr. Daniel. This festival provided a platform for Eritreans to celebrate and showcase their cultural heritage, while also embracing innovation and inclusivity. Festival Eritrea's ability to bring together people from various backgrounds and age groups exemplifies the country's commitment to unity and cultural preservation. Can you introduce your name once again?
Abigail.
Abigail, and how old are you?
10.
10. This is your first time in Eritrea. How did you find it? How did you find the festival?
It's interesting. There's lots of different things to do and different groups, and the food is good.
Okay. What else did you notice? What else did you like? What was your favorite part of the festival?
The different dances that every culture does.
Introduce your name.
Shalom.
Shalom. And tell me, how did you find the festival? Same question as your sister.
It's very interesting and different from what it's like in England. There's different types of people because of the ethnic groups. The places that we live in are different, so just everything's different here.
How do you feel coming for the first time?
I didn't want to come at first because I thought it was going to be too hot, but now that I'm here, it's better.
This annual event continues to be a highly anticipated celebration that unites Eritreans and showcases their vibrant tradition, creativity, and spirit of progress. The different dances.
Yeah.
Our unity. Can you tell me what is your understanding on our general unity as Eritreans? The 9 ethnic groups living together, like sound, safe.
I can see the different types of things they wear and the different houses they live in. and the different languages they speak.
Are you happy that your dad brought you this year?
Yeah.
You think you made the right decision?
Yeah.
All right, all right. Can you explain how do you feel about the Eritrean unity? Can you tell me your point of view of our unity and the positive things that we find through it?
I like that even though there's different groups, but they're still under the name Eritreans. Yeah.
What else? What about the culture? And what's being proudly displayed here at the festival? What have you realized, and what is your most favorite thing that you found here?
My favorite thing is the place and the people.
Have you seen the 9 ethnic groups?
We've
Have you
seen
seen something
half
you
of
liked
them.
there?
The dances, they're all unique in their own way, but they're all kind of the same. Yeah, that's it.
All right, all right. How old are you?
12.
12. What grade are you in?
5 going into 6 in
5
September.
going into 6. Have you ever thought of coming to learn here?
No.
No, not yet, right? All right, thank you so much. I'm so glad to have you. Enjoy the festival. Hope you come year on year. Hope we get to find you, and hopefully we get to talk to this little one next time. All right, all right. Enjoy the show. Thank you so much.
My name is Sasan, and I'm from Eritrea. I'm 16, and I'm here to see what Expo has brought this year after a whole pandemic. And it's been really nice seeing everybody excited and happy in here.
All together again.
Yeah, and the 9 ethnic groups showing their culture like they always do. And you can see how people are happy to have the Expo back.